Hello, everyone. Welcome to Survival English Abroad. I am Maria, your English teacher.
And I am Jack, the student. Hello, Maria. I am ready to learn. Today feels like a big travel day.
It is, Jack. Today we have a very important topic. Today we learn English for public transport.
Public transport, like buses and trains?
Yes, buses, trains, and taxis. When you travel to a new country, you need these words to move around the city. It can be scary, but we are here to help.
I am nervous about this. What if I get on the wrong bus and go to a different city?
Don't worry, Jack. We will practice exactly what to say. Let's start with the bus. Imagine you are at the bus stop. You see the bus arrive. What is the first thing you do?
I look at the driver.
Yes, and you ask about the destination. Repeat after me. Does this bus go to the city center?
Does this bus go to the city center?
Perfect. Or you can say, is this the bus for the museum?
Is this the bus for the museum?
Very good. Now let's talk about the ticket. You can ask, how much is a ticket?
How much is a ticket?
Good. Sometimes you need a single ticket. That is for one way. Sometimes you need a return ticket. That is to go and come back.
Okay, single ticket is 1, return ticket is 2.
Exactly. Let's practice. Jack, try to buy a ticket to the park.
Jack. Hello, 1 return ticket for the park, please.
Excellent. But wait, Jack. Sometimes the bus is big. You don't know when to get off. You can ask the driver, can you tell me when we get to the park?
Can you tell me when we get to the park?
Yes, get to means arrive. Repeat, can you tell me when we arrive?
Can you tell me when we arrive?
Perfect. Now let's talk about a special situation. You are at the airport. You need to go to your hotel.
Oh, the airport shuttle. I saw that word in a book.
Exactly. A shuttle is a bus that goes between two specific places. You can ask, where is the airport shuttle?
Where is the airport shuttle? And do I need a ticket before I get on?
Good question. You can ask, can I buy a ticket on the bus?
Can I buy a ticket on the bus?
Great. Now let's move to the train station. The train station is bigger than the bus stop. You need to find the platform.
Platform. What is a platform?
A platform is the place where you wait for the train. Each train has a number. For example, platform 5.
Okay, so I ask, which platform for the London train?
Very good, Jack. Which platform for the London train? Let's say it together.
Which platform for the London train?
Now imagine you are on the train. A person is sitting in a chair. You want to sit there too. You ask, is this seat free?
Is this seat free?
Yes, free means nobody is using it. If the person says yes, you can sit. If they say no, it is taken, you find another seat.
It is taken. Okay, I understand. But Maria, what if the train is late? I see people looking at the big screen and they look angry.
Ah, yes, that is a delay. You can ask the worker, is the train delayed?
Is the train delayed?
Yes, and if it is late, you ask, how long is the delay?
How long is the delay? 5 minutes? 1 hour?
Exactly. How long asks about the time. Now, what if you miss the train?
I cry?
No, don't cry. You just ask, when is the next train?
When is the next train?
Perfect. Next is the one coming after.
When is the next train? When is the next bus?
Yes. Now let's talk about the taxi. Taxis are expensive but very easy. You see a taxi, you put your hand up, the taxi stops, you open the door and give the address.
I just say the address, like 123 Main Street, please.
Yes, it is very simple. 123 Main Street, please. Or you can say, can you take me to the airport, please?
Can you take me to the airport, please?
Good. Now, Jack, here is a question. How do you ask about the price in a taxi?
How many money?
Not quite, Jack. We say, how much will it cost?
Ah, how much will it cost?
Yes. Or you can ask, do you take credit cards? Many people don't carry cash.
Do you take credit cards? That is a good one. I use my card for everything.
Me too. Now let's do a listening practice. I will be the bus driver, you are the passenger. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, where to?
Jack. Hello, does this bus go to the beach?
Yes, it does.
How much is a single ticket?
$2, please.
Here you go. Can you tell me when we get to the beach?
Sure thing. Take a seat.
Thank you.
Wow, Jack, that was perfect. You used all the phrases. Now let's try a harder one. You are at the train station. You have a problem.
A problem? Okay.
Maria. Hello, can I help you?
Jack. Yes, my train to Oxford. It is not here. Is it delayed?
Yes, I'm sorry. There's a 20-minute delay.
Oh no. When is the next train?
The next one is at 4:30 from Platform 9.
Platform 9. Okay. Do I need a new ticket?
No, your ticket is fine.
Thank you very much for your help.
Excellent, Jack. You asked about the delay, the next train, and the platform. You're a pro.
It feels easier when we practice the problems too.
It is. Now, one last one for the taxi. This time, imagine you are in a hurry. You're going to the theater.
Okay. Hello, driver. To the Royal Theater, please. I'm in a hurry.
No problem. We can be there in 10 minutes.
How much will it cost?
About $15.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, I do.
At the end, here is my card. Keep the change.
Jack, you don't say keep the change with a credit card usually. You just add a tip on the machine.
Oh, my mistake. I give a tip on the machine.
Exactly. Keep the change is for cash. If the price is $14 and you give a $20 bill, you say keep the change.
I understand now. Cash only.
Now let's do a slow review of our words today to make sure our listeners remember everything.
Okay, I will say the word and you explain it.
Let's do it.
Jack. Single ticket.
A ticket for one way. You go, but you don't come back on the same ticket.
Jack. Return ticket.
A ticket to go and come back.
Jack. Platform.
The place where you wait for the train. Look for the number.
Jack. Get off.
To leave the bus or the train. I get off at the next stop.
Jack. Delayed.
To be delayed. When the bus or train is late, it is not on time.
Jack. Next train. Next bus.
The one that comes after the current one.
Jack. Does this bus go to...
A question to check the destination. Very important.
Jack. Do you take credit cards?
A question to ask about payment.
Jack. And keep the change.
Giving the extra cash to the driver as a thank you.
This was very helpful, Maria. I feel much better about traveling now. I am not scared of the bus anymore.
I'm so happy to hear that, Jack. Remember, students, don't be afraid to ask questions. People at stations and drivers are usually happy to help if you are polite.
Yes, use please and thank you every time.
That's the best advice. Thank you for listening to Survival English Abroad.
Practice these words while you walk or drive today.
Great idea, Jack. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.